Essay on New Education Policy Introduction. The new National Education Policy came into existence on 29 July 2020 after replacing the existing National Education Policy. The change in education policy is made after a gap of a total of 34 years. But the change was necessary and the need for the time should have been made earlier. The necessity of new education policy 2020. The earlier system of education was basically focused on learning and giving results. The students were judged by the marks attained. This was an unidirectional approach to development, but the new education policy focuses on the relevance of a multidisciplinary approach. It aims all around development of the student. New education policy visualizes the formation of a new curriculum and structure of education which will help the students at their different stages of learning. The change has to be done in the existing education system in order to make education reach up to all, ranging from urban to rural areas. It will be towards meeting sustainability by fulfilling goal for quality education. Objective. The main motive is making children learn along with becoming a skilled one in whatever field they are interested. In this way, the learners are able to figure out their aim and their capabilities. The learners are to be provided with integrated learning, that is having the knowledge of every discipline. The same is applicable in higher education too. The new education policy also lays emphasis on the reformation of teachers' education and training processes. Conclusion. The present education system is the result of changes made in the existing education policy of 1986. It has been implemented to foster the learning and the nation's development. The new education policy focuses on the child's overall development. The policy is destined to achieve its objective by 2030. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.